If you want to know which stock is better between HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank, then this video is definitely for you. आज के इस वीडियो में हम इन दोनों बैंक्स का फंडामेंटल्स कंपेयर करने वाले हैं based on these 7 parameters. If you like this video, then don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also share this video with your friends interested in stock markets. Our first parameter is net interest income. The meaning of net interest income is basically the difference between the total interest income earned by the bank minus the total interest expenses made by the bank. The assessment criteria for this parameter is basically higher the better. HDFC Bank का last 3 years का net interest income growth rate रहा है 17%, वही in case of Kotak the growth rate was 16%, making HDFC Bank a better pick under this parameter. Our second parameter is net profit. The assessment criteria of net profit is higher the better. HDFC Bank का पिछले 3 साल का net profit growth rate रहा है 20%, वही Kotak Bank का net profit growth रहा है 17%, making HDFC Bank a better pick under this aspect. Our third parameter on the list is non-performing assets, that is NPA. A gross NPA is a loan or advance which is due for more than 90 days. वही net NPA का मतलब होता है gross NPA minus provisions created by the bank. We will be assessing these banks based on net NPA, which means the assessment criteria is going to be lower the better. HDFC Bank का net NPA as per the latest financials is 0.4%, whereas Kotak Bank's net NPA was 1.23%. The assessment of net NPA is lower the better and hence HDFC Bank is a better pick under this aspect. Our next parameter on the list is CASA ratio. CASA ratio का मतलब होता है कि बैंक के टोटल डिपॉजिट्स में से कितने डिपॉजिट्स करंट और सेविंग अकाउंट में है. बेसिकली बैंक्स को करंट अकाउंट्स पे कोई इंटरेस्ट देना नहीं होता है और सेविंग्स अकाउंट पे काफी कम इंटरेस्ट देना होता है, विच मींस जिस बैंक का कासा रेशियो ज्यादा है, मतलब करंट और सेविंग्स डिपॉजिट ज्यादा है, वो बैंक बेटर है. सो बेसिकली द असेसमेंट क्राइटेरिया इज हायर द बेटर. द एवरेज कासा रेशियो ऑफ HDFC Bank for the last 3 years is 44%, whereas that of Kotak Bank is 56%, making Kotak Bank a better pick under this aspect. Our next parameter is dividend yield, the assessment criteria being higher the better. HDFC Bank has given an average dividend yield of 0.67%, whereas Kotak Bank has given an average dividend yield of 0.04% in the last 3 years. Assessment criteria of dividend yield is higher the better, and hence HDFC Bank is a better pick under this aspect. Our next parameter is return on equity. Return on equity का assessment criteria is higher the better. The average return on equity for HDFC Bank is 15%, whereas that of Kotak Bank is 12% for the last 3 years. Return on equity of HDFC Bank is higher, therefore making it a better performer under this aspect. Moving on to the last parameter, which is price earning ratio. The assessment criteria of price earning ratio is lower the better. Lower P ratio means the stock is available for a cheaper price in the market. The price earning ratio of HDFC Bank is 25, whereas that of Kotak Bank is 34. Assessment of P ratio is lower the better, and hence HDFC Bank turns out to be a better pick under this parameter as well. Now let's look at the overall performance of these stocks. On an overall basis, HDFC Bank is better than Kotak Bank in 6 out of 7 parameters, making it a better performer than Kotak Bank. HDFC Bank versus Kotak Bank की इस सीरीज में the winner is HDFC Bank. Now let's see कि इन दोनों स्टॉक्स ने इन्वेस्टर्स को लास्ट 3 इयर्स में कितना रिटर्न्स दिया है. HDFC Bank ने लास्ट 3 इयर्स में इन्वेस्टर्स को 36% रिटर्न दिया है, वही कोटक बैंक ने इन्वेस्टर्स को 22% का रिटर्न दिया है, मेकिंग HDFC Bank a better performer than Kotak Bank. Please note that the intention of this analysis is not investment advisory but only to give you a fundamental perspective of these stocks. Please consult your financial advisor and evaluate other parameters as well before investing in any of the stocks. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा then don't forget to follow us and share this video with your friends. Also let us know in the comments below कि आप कौन सा stocks compare करना चाहते हो. We will do it for you in our upcoming videos.